Start building agents. This is the best advice I can give to any engineer, founder, or anyone who's building their own startup right now. I've noticed a shift and I think it's worth talking about. Whenever I get an idea or I come across a problem, I always want to make an app or product to solve it. That's the developer in me, and I'm sure you can relate. But recently I noticed a shift. I'm not thinking like that anymore. I always think, how can I make an agent to do this? Or how can I make multi-agent system to solve this problem? Let me tell you an example. If you follow me, you know that every Sunday I send a newsletter out called Build with Intention. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Now, before the newsletter arrive into your inbox, it goes through a journey. Every week when I'm reading or watching a video or listening to podcast, any ideas that I get, I collect all those ideas into my notes. And then on Saturday morning, I sit through down all the ideas that I've captured and I draft a letter, and then on Sunday, I send it to all of you. So that's the journey of my newsletter end to end. So recently I've been working on developing this agentic system called Muse for streamlining this flow. An agent that can categorize my notes, the agent that can do the research of what's latest happening in the AI world, an agent that can suggest me the topics to go for. I still would write all the drafts, but then there are agents that help me along the way to ease my journey. And that's the thinking worth talking about. So start by building and learning about agents. What are these AI agents? What are their world? What are the tools? Learn about MCP. Build one agent and try to deploy it. You'll see the infrastructure challenge on how you can serve the agent, how you can keep them running. It's so easy these days, especially with Anthropic releasing tools every single week. So learn about agents, build one, deploy one, use it for yourself, then build a multi-agent system. See some of the problems that you encounter. So if you're an engineer or a founder who's been building products with front-end, back-end databases for a long time and you're really good at it, you might want to look into creating agents, how you can build and integrate that into businesses and make that as your offering.